Hey, this will be a video chart on PIHN, Polaris International Holdings. I think I did this one during the move up here, not sure which days, but I want to get it up again here for one reason only. Didn't really even get any requests on it, but see this right here, the volume bar. I'm going to see if I can try to catch something bigger before it happens. You know, the stock has already shown once that it can move back here, and now with this volume starting to get a little bit bigger, you know, maybe something else is up where it's ready to make another move. Am I, positive, or am I for sure that something's going to happen? Obviously not. But at the same time, when you see volume like this, volume precedes price, so maybe something is coming. On that note, don't go grab the kids' college tuition money and throw it into this. Don't do anything like that. As always, only use money you can afford to lose. But with these triple zeros, things can get exciting, and when you see volume like this start to creep in, it's worth at least taking note. So that's the main motivation for the video, is solely based on this volume bar here. Now, with that being said, what sorts of levels are we going to look at to kind of measure any sort of strength? Because sure, there might be some volume that comes in, but at the same time, you have to be able to measure the strength of the stock and of the bulls. But luckily with this one, it's going to be pretty easy. We have two key resistance levels sitting right above us, so we'll be able to judge the strength of the bulls based just simply on whether or not they can get through these prices. The first one being this purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. Right now that's valued at, we're going to call it 0.001. And then we have its big brother up here, this orange line, which is the 200-day simple moving average, currently valued at 0.0012. So these are the two key kind of test levels, and if the price just starts to bust through both of these or one of these, then that's where you can start to give your give the nod to the bulls and say, okay, they obviously do have some strength going through this action, and that's a good sign. But if you see them come up here and the volume's kind of wimpy on the day and it gets rejected, then that's a clear sign that there's just really nothing, no sort of substance behind today's volume. You got a nice price action, nice volume, but now the key question becomes, was this just a one-day type thing? Was it like a day over here where you had some volume creeping in, nice green day, but then nothing came of it? So it could be like that, but right now it's just a total wait and see, and trying to figure out whether there's going to be any sort of follow through from this day. But if these two levels can get broken, then the price could really get running, and I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart in that situation. Like I said, I just wanted to throw it on so you can watch your radars. Let's see if the 50 and 200, how the price reacts if it gets up around them. But more importantly, if there's gonna be any sort of big move, we're gonna want to see volume continue to increase. So put it on your radars, and we'll see what happens. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting really good reviews. And then with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things, from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety set for everybody. We've been making some good money together on our picks, so I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One last time, this was PIHN. Thanks for listening.